Go and check out the meat market in Mandeville. The meat market is open on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. But to get the freshest meat, it's best to come on Tuesdays and Fridays. At first, I was so excited. I couldn't wait to go in and see how the meat market runs. When you step in, it didn't smell like rotten meat. It smelled sweet, like some sweet, savoring meat. Here's some beef to the side, and everything was going well until I heard this comment. Somebody was saying that they didn't want me to capture anything on the camera, so I didn't film his produce or his meat. I just went aside and started to film other persons.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?